guys, what's up? It's your girls Alicia and Elise, and I'm Alicia, and I am back with another wig review. This time this unit does come from the brand Luvme hair, so if you guys are interested, definitely check the description box down below where everything's going to be linked. But this time around, this is what they sent me. This is their 7x6 chestnut highlight brown lace front unit. You guys can see it does have really gorgeous colors within this wig. It's like a number 2, a number 4, number 27, a bunch of different browns. This hair is a pre-everything unit, so it does come with the pre-cut lace, that transparent HD Swiss lace, the pre-bleached knots, the pre-plucked hairline, and it is ready to wear. This is a glueless unit, so it does have that slip band on the inside as well as the combs and that elastic strap, so it is going to fit your head nice and snug. But this is the way my unit came directly out of the box. I'm just going to do some really light and quick styling with this one. I like to take a little bit of water and some gel and just lay those edges. So this is the way the curls look directly out of the box. You may not be able to tell, but my curls are a little frizzy. So what I'm going to do to fix that is just apply a lot of water throughout the hair. And then I'm just going to take a holding product. You can use a gel or, a conditioner, but I am going to use my mousse and just apply a generous amount throughout the hair. And then I like to take like a curl defining brush, or you can use your fingers and just go through the curls so that they can enhance a little bit. I also like to apply a bit of it on the top of the unit just to get rid of any box humps that it has. And once this hair dries, we're going to see how these curls look. So this is the way my curls look once the unit is dry. You definitely want to go through the hair and scrunch it to get rid of any cast. And again, this is what that cap construction looks like. If you're wondering what the curl type of this one is, I believe it's like a bouncy curl, which kind of mimics like a jerry curl. But this is the way the unit looks directly on. You guys can see that I did not glue it down or anything of that nature. I do see a little bit of that lace because it is transparent. So you definitely want to apply a little bit of some foundation powder along that lace. And this step is completely optional. If you like, you can take a bit of the hair along the edges and cut them down a little bit and just create some soft baby hairs. I like to do this if I feel like the hairline just doesn't really look too natural on me. Now on camera, it really does look natural, but I feel like because the lace is not glued down, I want something to kind of take the attention off of the lace in case it starts to lift. So I just want to add some baby hairs just to kind of change it up a little bit. I'm also going to take a little bit of my concealer just to define that parting space to make it look a bit more natural. And while the baby hairs are drying, I'm just going to use an edge band so that it can stay in place. And while that's setting, I'm just going to do some light styling around my face frame.
Actions on repeat. To me it seems you're doing just fine. Assumptions can't be registered when it feels
Okay, so this is how my hair is now looking. Those curls are looking super juicy. I love the fact that this hair has a nice shine, and how I styled it, it looks super chic. Y'all, these curls are super curly, so I really love the fact that a little bit of water and product really has these curls popping. Again, this unit does have a highlight streak throughout, so you're gonna get a bunch of chestnut brown colors. For the angles of the hair, my unit is in a 20-inch and the density is, I believe, 150, so it's more of a natural look. But now what I'm going to do is show you guys a few quick and easy styles you can do with this one. Again, this unit does have 7 by 6 inches of parting and lace room, so you guys can definitely switch it up. You don't have to just wear it in a middle or a side part. I was able to achieve a side part, a middle part, a little updo, and many other styles you can do. Let me know which one you guys are feeling.
You must not want this cause you're wasting my time with lies, telling me you are wrong, no reply. The connection.
Again, y'all, this is from Luvme Hair. This is their bouncy curl 20-inch 150% density glueless lace front unit with 7 by 6 inches of parting space. Y'all, this unit is pre-everything, ready to wear directly out of the box. Super easy styling. Y'all, let me know what you guys think of this one, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.